This is your video.
Oh.
This is your channel.
Welcome back to another video shared in the content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today's video is all about Flash UV. Flash UV, bang, 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 bang. Flash UV, guys, and we are working with our UV DTF. And in this video, we're actually gonna show you guys how to unravel your UV DTF because you're gonna get it like this. And a lot of people are familiar with our DTF product, which goes on apparel, and it comes in a roll like this as well, but there's not all this extra stuff. So we're gonna explain, actually, Chelly's gonna be the one to kind of explain to you all of that, how to care for it and stuff like that. So you wanna go ahead and...
Yeah, so we made videos on how to apply and how to remove. So now this video is just to show you how to unroll, because you will get it in this plastic wrap, and just some ideas and inspiration on what other customers have printed and what you can do with your DTF, your UV DTF. I know we've showed you wraps here, we showed you decals, we showed you on the car, and these are all of our examples, but now we have real life orders. So if you see your order in here, be sure to comment down below. Nobody in here has asked to not have it on camera, because some people will tell us, please do not show mine on camera. So these, everybody is in the clear. So this is one example of UV DTF. As you can see, we have, what do we got on there, babe?
We got some real life pictures of some beautiful women.
Real life pictures.
I'm not saying that being disrespectful.
It's fine.
Okay.
Let them know I have a sticky note on one image just because we didn't want to show that on camera. It was a little inappropriate, no worries. But as you can see, we can do real life images. We got a QR code on the bottom.
What?
Should I send $1 to that QR code? That would be so cool. As Flash Custom Transfers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that. Let me do it right now. So we got real
You
life.
guys send some money to that QR code too. Go ahead.
Yeah, scan the QR code.
Scan the QR code, send some money to support that.
It looks like we got a birthday in the corner. So they really utilize their entire sheet. As you can see, there's not much white on there. So they were good at, and they set up their own sheet.
Did they really?
Yes, so this is theirs already set up. So they were familiar with the process. Like I said, it's 22 by 24, 300 DPI to print at the highest resolution. So
and they know this is UV DTF, right?
They saw that price difference.
They saw that price.
That price difference was
That's
definitely...
Canva. I used that on Canva. That Annie. I used that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, on our Flash art.
Cool.
That's funny. I used this image right here on Canva.
So just in a lot of our past videos with our UV DTF, they were already cut out. So we had, prepared for our video and prepared to show you guys. So today's video is just as you order from the warehouse, this is what it will come out. 22 by 24 full sheet, just like our UV DTF. And these are $45. And for a member, it is $39.99.
Yep.
We do have a membership at $8.99 per month. And you get to unlock DTF discounts, UV discounts, shipping discounts, and expedited shipping discounts. So you get a lot of benefits with the membership. And we have that linked in the description as well.
Yes.
First thing we're gonna do is show you how to unravel it. So this is after it's unraveled. As you can see, we do have film here, here, and here, and we are gonna show you why right now. So this first one, I believe is this Tony? I don't know if this is Tony, but he got UV DTF and regular DTF. So this is his, oh no, I know who this is. This is his DTF, which is a 22 by 24. He was aware of this white background. We always let you know in your consultation, hey, this has white background and they're merged. Would you like to print as is or resend your artwork? He did approve this. So we always, if we do see anything on your sheet that, we pay attention to detail. If we see anything, we will definitely let you know. So this is our DTF. So now let's look at our UV DTF.
And that's one gang sheet at only $19.99. And we helped him set it up, right?
No.
He had that set up?
He sent these on his own.
Okay, bet. Good job, man.
Yes, good job. And $19.99. And if you have the membership, they are $16.99. $16.99. That's what I was going to say. Okay. So this comes right out of the tube, and you find kind of like tape, right? You find your edge. The reason why we have it like this with the extra film on the edge is to secure your UV DTF, but be very careful. It might go one time around, so when you're peeling, just be very careful.
Yep, you want some help?
You can.
Give you some help.
There we go. So as you can see, hold it tight.
Okay.
As you can see, we are to the backing now. So it's just that much of tape just to kind of wrap it around. So we're
Film.
So we unravel. Be very careful.
Be very careful.
Especially with smaller images, unravel. So there we go.
This
so
might
that
be
is
dope.
This is his, you wanna smile? Yeah. Okay, hold on, let me figure out. It's got good in my hair.
Did we do the one with the blunts for the thumbnail?
So he was able to get DTF, which is this, and UV DTF in his order. And I believe he is a member, if I'm not mistaken. So he got it all at a discounted rate.
Yes.
So this is what you can do with Flash Custom Transfers and UV DTF. You're able to get high resolutions, weedless decals where he can stick those anywhere. And he's able to make his very own merch, shirts, clothing. So we have you covered on the apparel side, on the apparel side and on the hard surface side.
And look what he did. Look at these little blunts. I like how he stuck those over there in that corner and really maximized the size of his...
Oh, that's his blunt? I didn't even know what it said.
Maximize the size of his gang sheet. I liked how he really did that. And that's what we want you guys to do. So think about it. These are all things that can now go on any type of apparel, any type of, you know, if he wants to put them on, I don't really know much about that world, but whatever he wants to put these on, he can.
Well, 420 is coming up, so maybe that's why he's preparing. I am seeing a lot more 420 images come through around this time, which is fine. You know, it is legal in a lot of states, so.
And we will print it.
Yes, and we will print it. As you can see, we have put backing here to seal the bottom. So it's all about sealing to protect. So don't, you know, freak out like, what is all this excess? It's all for protection right now. Do you recommend cutting them out as soon as you get them?
Yes, I recommend as soon as you get them, like with the, and I'll go ahead into this while you roll that up. Or do you want to show them how to roll it up?
Yeah, just the same exact way where it's sealed, and you don't want to go too tight, just enough pressure roll.
Yeah, just
enough space.
Yeah.
Not too tight and not too loose. And then you would just roll it back up and then, let me get it.
While she's rolling that up, it's very simple. If you guys are used to rolling our regular apparel DTF up, then it's not gonna be too hard to roll up the UV DTF. But the reason why I recommend cutting it out as soon as you get it is because once you cut them out, then you can lay them flat like this. For some reason, whenever they're in a roll, you'll get like a lift like this.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Sometimes if you don't cut them out, you'll get like a lift like this. So, and again, I can still push this in there and then see, it's nice and flat, and I would cut this out and then I wouldn't get that lift. And then I'd be able to cut this out too, and I wouldn't get that lift here. See how I kind of just eliminated that lift? So that's the reason why we suggest cutting everything out, because there's tension on the film and it wants to pull on the white backing. And just make a lift, and we don't want you guys to be like, oh my God, they lifted, what is happening? Like, don't worry about that. It'll be just fine. So just as soon as you get it, when it's nice and taut like that, is that the good word? Then you want to go ahead and cut out all your images and then just lay them flat like we have right there on the table.
And you'll learn as you get familiar with the product what works best for you and what works best for your company. The good thing about these is unlike our UV DTF, these will not sweat. What is the word?
Yeah, sweat. Yep, because there's no backing.
No, but what is the other word?
What?
The condensation, but there's another word I can't think of. Anyways, you don't have to worry about that. These do have a backing.
There's no silicone pack.
No silicone pack to take out the excess.
Humidity?
Humidity, that's the word. I'm like, what is that word? So the humidity will not affect this. It will not sweat. It will not come off the backing. It will not do anything. The only thing I do recommend is always use your squeegee to press into the film, because if you lift, it still might be on the backing. This one is not. All you have to do is use your squeegee, and we have that down below as well. And we are offering sample packs right now. We have our UV DTF sample pack for $15. $10. And then we have our DTF sample pack for $13, free shipping for both.
Yep.
We will be editing these sample packs. I think we're gonna go through these first and then do a new one.
Yeah.
So just keep a lookout. We will have, we'll be switching up the sample pack game often. So
yes, exactly.
you can buy those online or email is fine.
Yeah, because they're sample packs. So it's just really just for you guys to test out the product and just get kind of familiar with it.
Yeah, and I was able to, on our sample packs, I also put our dimensions. So you have an idea of what these dimensions are if you're very new into the industry and the game. For our DTF, this 10 across, 10 is a standard adult size.
Yep.
So you will have that standard adult size when we say standard adult size 10, you'll have a visual. Our 3s are usually our left chest, or it can be a 4 depending on how big you want to go, and then a 5, and of course another 10 by 5 adult size. And I wanted to incorporate letters so you can get that idea how it is pressing letters. If you're coming from vinyl, no more weeding.
No more weeding.
So I wanted to give everyone that opportunity to experience the full DTF experience with the small sample pack.
And to touch on her talking about vinyl, don't forget that also applies to our UV DTF for everybody out there who's so used to using permanent vinyl.
Yes.
Right? There's no, like Chelly had mentioned, there's what is the baby girl? Like Chelly had mentioned, there's no weeding. So you're able to get these full color graphics out. You're not having to worry about, like if you're trying to make a strawberry, you're not having to try to find a red and then find a white and then weed the white and then layer the green, and you're not having to do all that. And we can also do the same really detailed effects that we can do in apparel DTF, we can also do in UV DTF. And those effects include embroidery and like leather and pitting for like a football. We can do all that. So just know that whenever you guys are creating something, also think of the texture of the image, because we can accommodate that and create that.
Yeah, and for sure, like speaking of texture, everything is really raised. Well, not this flat photo, but if you have like words or if you have designs like this design, everything is raised. There is a kind of like, they like to say like a 3D effect type of vibe to it. So like this,
you can feel it. It feels
the
like
QR
dots.
code.
Yeah, you can feel the dots.
Oh yeah. It kind of feels like Braille.
Yeah, it does.
Like Braille. So it's kind of cool. So when designing the bear, you will know you can feel every inch of that bear. So that's pretty cool. And in our sample packs, I incorporated an embroidery effect design, so you can kind of see how that, because we're very proud about that. We have started that in the industry of the embroidery effect.
Yes, we started it.
So we are proud that we have started that. Did you want to open another one? Just another example, just to kind of get an idea of what's going on in here?
We are going to open another one, but on Flash Custom Transfer Show.
We're done?
Yeah, not necessarily done, but we're going to do multiple videos of this. Of this subject while we have all these here. We're going to keep showing you guys different people's orders and just keep kind of scaling up. Just to make this video really quick, because I've got a video that I just did yesterday. It's almost like 30 minutes of taking you guys through. Make sure you check out that video. It's taking you guys through
the ordering process. I
answer questions and I go over prices. So definitely go check that video out. And then this video is about the UV DTF, and we're really going to ramp up how we show you guys a UV DTF gang sheet, because come on, Chelly, show them. That's the only you're not getting this from Etsy. You're not getting this anywhere. A UV DTF gang sheet.
That's what I'm saying. Let's open another one.
Okay, go ahead.
Because we'll have 2 for my channel.
Okay.
I just want to get some more experience for you guys so you can see.
Chelly, we got to do a live.
Well, then we need to save one for live.
Yeah. No, we can still show them online.
Okay, so you got to find, here we go. So you got to find your mark, just like on some tape.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go, guys.
Want me to help you?
Yes, please. So,
all right, so get your partner.
Get your partner. You can't do it by yourself, but be careful.
Yeah.
Sticky is not, so that first initial lift is not going to affect your transfers at all. It's just a sealing lift.
Yep.
And then once you get to your white backing, then you know, okay, I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. This is Tia. Shout out to Tia. She actually ordered 3. So this is 1, this is 2, and then this is 3. So Tia got, I think 9 DTF sheets and 3 UV. So she is, am I still wrapped?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you
pull
sure?
Up top. Yeah, pull up top.
All right. So this one's got a.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, okay. So we are to our backing. So do you see all that excess? So don't forget that that is okay. Okay, roll it, unroll it, unroll it.
Look at the maximization. Look at this. Look at the maximization.
And Tia set up her own gang sheet.
Everybody's setting up their own gang sheet.
Yeah,
Guys, listen.
well, we're really doing a good job of teaching them.
If you are setting up your own gang sheet, that means that you can take other people's orders. So please do that. Please take advantage of it. Go ahead, stand up. I'll hold it.
Tia.
Look at that.
Love it. So what do we got going on here? Slide into spring, let's line dance. So she's got that going. Break it down, line dance. So this is a line dance life here. And this says slide. So this is cool. So this might be from just an organization, I guess she is working with, but you can feel it. You see all these little twisties.
That's
you
so
can
cute.
feel it. This is amazing. So this is another 22x24 UV DTF, $45 and $39.99 if you are a member. You can hit all the links below and it will take you straight to it. And as you can see, she definitely maximized her space. We really don't have any space and she left space to cut. So she's got it. She's
gonna make a lot of
professional.
money. Please let us know what you're doing with this sheet so we can teach people, because she paid $45 for this, and look how many logos there.
I
look
know.
How many, like I don't know if she's
crazy.
selling each one. If this is an order, please email us or comment down below once you see this. Like what you're doing with this sheet so that we can teach other people that this is what you can do at Flash Custom Transfers. You know what I mean? And remember, there's no minimum. So she didn't have to order 3. She did, but she didn't have to, right? She ordered 3, right? That sheet right there.
3 UV DTF.
3 UV DTF. She didn't have to. She could have just started with just this one or just that one, killed the sale, killed whatever, made whatever she wants, because these are going on anything hard, cups, whatever, outside of glass doors, people's cars, however she wants. But I would like to know what she's going to do, because we know how to sell UV. I mean, we know how to sell apparel DTF. That's easy.
Yeah, and she's got another one. Look at her. Line dancing. Again, she is killing
So is
it.
that a contract? Is that something that you own? Oh, and look, they're dancing right here. That's what that is. They're dancing.
Oh, so this is all of line dancing. Okay. I love it, Tia. Thank you. And this is not her first order. She's ordered with us quite a bit.
Quite a bit.
So she's very familiar with the process, very familiar with our products. So this is her first time trying out our UV. So I hope, and she trusted us. Grab that in.
I got you.
And for her to order 3 at one time, you know, that shows a lot about our company. Instead of buying a piece, I mean.
Here, turn it to me.
Well, I'm about to roll it.
No, I know.
I'm trying to lay it down.
I know. I'm gonna let you lay it down on the table like that, and then I'm gonna hold it like this. Go ahead.
So I'm gonna roll it like this.
Just to get it started.
Okay.
And then you can pull it back.
All right, Tia, we're being
It's
very.
going a little long.
Huh?
It's going a little long.
A little long what?
Like it's kind of getting out of, yeah. Like that.
I know, because I can't roll this way. I gotta roll this way.
Here, I'm gonna come around.
Okay. Very gentle, Miss Tia. Very gentle. Okay, so can they see where we're gonna wrap it back? So we're gonna wrap her thing back. So it's just like saran wrap, just like on Thanksgiving. All righty.
There it is.
So hers is back. And we're not gonna unravel your last one, but we're very impressed. And then this has a lot of words and you can fill those as well. So shout out to Tia. I'm gonna send her $1 in there for real.
That's dope.
And yeah,
That's
I'm very
indeed.
excited about to see all you guys' designs and see what you really are creating with this product.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Please let us know what you are doing with it business-wise so that we can use your experience and help other people so that they can create and sell and turn whatever they're creating into a profit. That's what we're here for. So that's gonna be it for this video.
Yep.
All right, guys, be basic.
Can you have that fan? It was hot.